Alright, welcome to Moflakes. Today I'm going to show you kids how to make a paper snowflake that looks like candy canes. So grab your paper and your scissors and let's get going. We start by folding a triangle. And then you cut off the extra piece so that you have a square, which is also a triangle because it's folded in half. Now this is the tricky part. We're going to start by marking the center. So we're folding it in half again, but we're going to open it up. This is so we can have a six-sided snowflake. This next part is a little bit tricky as we fold into thirds. You might have to try a couple times or get a parent to help. But once you get it folded into thirds, you will have a more realistic snowflake because real snowflakes have six sides. Then after you fold it into thirds, you fold it in half one more time. And then we're ready to start cutting. So you got to cut off the top part, and then you start cutting into your snowflake with a design. The top of a candy cane is curved, so I'm going to make a curved edge here, starting from the folded edge. Now I'm going to get the inside of the candy cane. As I go around on the inside, I want to make sure I don't get too close to any of the other edges. And then I'm going to cut all the way down across to the other side. You see that? Now I didn't have it perfect, and neither will you. So I'm going to go around one more time to smooth out some of my edges, make it not be too lopsided. Okay, this next part, I'm cutting almost all the way to the end to finish off my candy cane, but part of the top is still on a folded edge. Now at the bottom here, I'm going to cut at an angle, which will actually make a star in the center. So now I need to cut a parallel line to that angle I cut at the bottom, like this. Being careful not to cut too far, and then I'll just connect my two ends. When they're close enough, they'll fall off. That's all there is to it. Let's clear off these extra pieces so you guys can see the contrast of the white snowflake against the black background. And now we're going to open it up. There you go. You see there's two candy canes. When I open it up again, we've got 4. One more time, we got 6. And then we have one last fold, which will give us 12 candy canes, making a 6-sided star or a snowflake. I hope you enjoyed that. There's going to be more coming, so stay tuned for more snowflakes from Moflakes. Thanks for watching.